Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to control an LED with an Arduino. First you need an LED, 3 male to male jumper wires, 1 220 ohm resistor, 1 breadboard and 1 Arduino Uno. The LED can be any color of your choice. The long leg of the LED is the positive terminal and the short leg is the negative terminal. We connect the LED on the Arduino. We connect the positive leg. We connect the positive leg to the positive over here, and the negative leg is connected using a resistor to the negative on the breadboard. We are using another jumper wire to connect the positive and negative on the breadboard. We are connecting the positive to the VCC or the 5 volt on the Arduino, and the positive to the 5 volt and the negative to the GND. Now you can see that the LED lights up, but if you connect them in the opposite way, they would not light up. Do you know why? Because an LED is a diode, a light emitting diode, and therefore only allows current in one direction. Now let's see how to do fade and blink using the light LED. So first you need to install your Arduino IDE from the site. Now you can go to File, Examples, Built-in Example Basics, and Blink. This can be uploaded to our Arduino. This is controlling the built-in LED that is on 13 on Arduino Uno, and might be different on other boards like Arduino Mega and Arduino Nano. So you need to connect the positive wiring to number 13. And the negative to GND. Now the LED starts blinking. You can make them blink more often by changing the delay. Now 1000 is 1000 milliseconds, and now I am reducing it to 500 milliseconds. That makes it more often. And I am uploading it. And it's uploaded. Now it blinks more often. And next is the fade. To get the fade, go to File, Examples, Basics, Fade. Now you can, but before that you can just remove the wires. Now you can send it, upload it. After it's uploaded, we will connect the positive to number 9 as is given in the code, and the GND to the GND itself. Now we can see the LED fading. And that's all. Thank you for watching my video.